What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. My name is Eboh, in case you don't know, and today I am in Asaba, which is the capital city of Delta State. And in today's video, you already know what we're going to be doing, right? Yeah, I believe you already know. So we'll be driving around Asaba to show you guys how Asaba looks like as of 2022. So guys, stay tuned, go get your popcorn, get any refreshments you can get, and stay tuned while we drive around Asaba. So be entertained as we move, and maybe I'm going to talk to you at the end of the video, or maybe I'm going to talk to you at the middle of the video. It all depends when I find something interesting. So but meanwhile, I just want you guys to enjoy this video. It's going to be, you know, as cool as possible, as calm as possible. I just want you guys to, you know, feel the virtual tour of the city without being distracted. So guys, let's move. We move. So guys, by my right hand side, that's the Grand Hotel and Resort Asaba. Very popular hotel in Asaba. One of the good hotels, in Asaba. So that's the Grand Hotel. It's a very popular one, and it's so huge. Not just popular, it's very huge. Actually, it's a resort, so it's huge. And that's a cathedral by my right hand side, St. Joseph Cathedral, Asaba. I'm not really familiar with Asaba, but I will try as much as possible to get you guys, to keep you guys up to the dates of the places we are. So I'm gonna be making use of the signposts along the road, and yeah. I used to come and go, but like I'm not too familiar. I'm just a bit familiar with the city, but not too familiar with the city. So this is the Eboh market. Eboh market is actually a very popular market here in Asaba. I think everybody residing here in Asaba knows Eboh market, because you eventually get everything you want in this area. So the main market is by my right hand side. Then you get to see some other small shops and small businesses around. So it's a very popular one in Asaba. Eboh. And also there are a couple of not just couple, there are a lot of foreign exchange here. So when you have all this foreign currency you want to change, Obogonogo is the right place to come over and change your currency. You get it at a very cheaper rate or at a very good rate. Yeah, so mostly done by the northern Nigerians. And also I don't know, from my own opinion, or is it's not from my own opinion, I mean from my own thoughts. Like I'm always excited also, apart from Enugu still remain number one for me. Apart from Enugu, I'm also excited whenever I visit Asaba, because the city is kind of like civilized and all that kind of stuff, though these days it's getting really populated, and I think I'm beginning to see some disorderliness, which is not supposed to be. But as of then, it was more cooler than the way it looks. But so far I'm still kind of like excited, I mean, being in the city. So actually, the Obogonogo market is located at Nebisi Road. So we are currently at the Nebisi Road, Asaba. I don't know why. I'm not trying to make this video a controversial stuff or anything, but like I have this opinion of mine, like. Or mostly when you come to Asaba, like mostly things or maybe places, streets, name of places, name of streets basically sound like an Igbo name. But when you ask an Asaba person, are you an Igbo person? Asaba person will say, no, I'm not Igbo. But basically your name is Igbo, your place is, the name of your place is Igbo, the name of your town is Igbo. Like I don't really understand, but that's my own opinion. I'm not saying I'm right. I may be right though. But I'm just curious, like why is it like that? So we are still in Nebisi Road. So here you get to see all kinds of, it's actually a business area. We get to see small businesses, small shops, both left and right. Especially they sell household items like cylinder, mattress, clothes, mostly household items like furniture and the rest of it. Yeah, so that's what you get to find here. It's actually a business places, offices and the rest of that. So ahead of me, by my right hand side, as you can see right now, that's the Asaba Stadium. And it's a very nice one. It's of good standard. Not the very best, but it's of good standard. It's nice. I think it's better than Anambra Stadium. I mean, it's better than Onitsha Stadium. I've not been to the new Anambra Stadium, which is located in Oka. I'm yet to visit the stadium, but as of this one is better than the Oka Stadium. I mean, better than Onitsha Stadium. And yeah. So guys, that's the Federal Medical Center by my right hand side. The Asaba Federal Medical Center. I really want to overtake this car. Like, it's really popping some smoke that I don't like. It's going very slow. I don't know, pure water trucks, most times they're very faulty. Yeah, we did it. So that's the Diocese of Iseluku by my left hand side. The cathedral also. Mama, you know the sea road. So guys, I think I'm going to take my right hand side. I don't actually know what is there, but let's just go and explore. I'm not too familiar with this road. Like whenever I visit Asaba, I don't normally go through this road. Most times it's that I go towards the Opanam road. It's a very popular road, also a very popular area in Asaba. There you get to see ShopRite, cinema, and other businesses like Domino's Pizza. It's kind of like an entertainment place, and also there you will see the what's the name of this hotel again? I think is it Toscana, Asaba Toscana or something like that, which is being influenced by Flavor Nabania. Also a popular musician here in Nigeria. Currently a global he's a global artist. So people are really doing great stuff, great things. So I'm trying to get the name of this road. I'm not so familiar with this road. So I'm still gonna, at the end of the day, I'm still gonna make a U-turn to connect me to the Abanam road. Asaba is really a very quiet, decent city. Just that these days it's really getting populated, and I pray and hope that the state government keep maintaining the capital city, because it's actually a very beautiful city. It's a very nice city, the serenity, the lack of violence, a lot of enough security, not a lot, enough security, and people are also quite civilized compared to other cities in Nigeria, and yeah. I think that's the government house by my right hand side. I'm not really sure about that. Like I said, at the end of the day, okay, yeah, I believe that's the government house. At the end of the day, I'm just gonna make a turn. Jesus Academy by my right hand side. One of the expensive schools, one of the most expensive schools in Nigeria. It's not just here in Asaba, but in Nigeria. Infant Jesus Academy. That's the it's actually a secondary school. School meant for the rich Nigerian kids. It's a nice one. They also have a quality. They have a quality standard of education. It's not just by the name only. It's not just a brand, but they do fulfill by their, like when you check their academic performance around the nation, you get to find out that they're really doing well. It's not just being an expensive school, but the performance is also there. Okay, this is a bad one. This is a bad road. So I think I'm going to go from here. Going on here? Is that a checkpoint? I think how do I put it? Like from sometimes I'm so confused, like I don't know where to classify Asaba, or maybe classify Delta State. I don't know the region to classify Delta State, because I know most people call it South, but I think it's partly Southeast. So let me just say this: within Southeast cities, I think it is only Asaba and Enugu City that you get to see less police checkpoint or military checkpoint. Any other city you get to see a lot of them there. So you can drive like almost an hour within Asaba or Enugu, you won't get to find any the static checkpoints. It's only in other parts of southeast cities that you get to see a static checkpoints. They are constantly there. It can be police, it can be road safety, it can be military checkpoints. Just be static. They'll just be consistently there. So Asaba and Enugu is different. That's the government house. That's the government house. I just saw the clear signboard. I don't know whether you guys noticed, like I basically made a U-turn. So right now I'm heading towards what's the name again? Urbanham Road. Urbanham Road, very busy place. Very popular. Also a lot of businesses. Then when you go inside, you get to find residential houses and all that. And like a very busy place, a very commercial place like that costs a lot. Actually, it seems to be like the main, the main area. I mean, the main town, the main happening place in Asaba. So to get a land there is definitely going to cost you a fortune. So guys, I think before I head to Obanam Road, let me let me just I don't know whether you guys will mind, but let me just a quick one, just get at the top of the bridge, just for the sake of seeing how the bridge looks like. Let's just go up, let's just drive up and see how standard is the bridge. I think that's the only bridge within Asaba city, or within Asaba. I don't know. I think that's the only bridge. Yeah, that's the only bridge within the city. At the center of the city. Let me just put it like that, because there is another ongoing construction. But that will be at the express road, ongoing construction of the bridge at the express road. So this one is a very popular one. I wish I knew the name. I would have told you the name. So I'm gonna make a U-turn right now, then connect back to the Obanam Road. So by my right hand side, that's the Asaba Mall, which is also popularly called the ShopRite, Asaba ShopRite. By my left hand side, that's the ShopRite. Maybe at the end of the video, I'm going to visit there. It all depends. So guys, we are in Obanam Road. So here you get to see a lot of hotels, a lot of restaurants, a lot of mini, supermarkets, shopping malls, and a lot of banks, financial institutions. So that's the Domino's Pizza and Cold Stone for some of you that love, some of you that are foodies. Some of you that are foodies, this is the right place to come and get a good food. Yeah. So that's the top view hotel on my right hand side. So I think one of the lane, this red lane, this is the end of the lane. So we're going to make a left turn. Then we're going to be using another lane with the opposing commuters, because I think this started during the time of NSAS, because there is a police station by my right hand side. So police people, they block the road just to avoid people, going through, because of, during that NSAS protest, it was a very hot one. Like, mostly there's a lot of violence against the police people. So that's the Toscana Villa, like I told you guys earlier, which is being influenced by Flavor Napania, a popular musician, artist here in Nigeria. So that's the Villa Toscana. I think it recently opened last year or early last year, if I'm not wrong. So that's the police station by my right side. So they blocked the other lane so that people can access it, for security reasons. I think the protest is gone. I think it's like time they, open up the road for easy access for commuters and residents of the city. And so I think after the police station, then we have to get back to the normal lane which we are supposed to be in. these are government quarters. Here you get to find a lot of government offices and a lot of government ministry. I will not start naming them because it's quite a lot. So we're just going to drive through and see how the environment or the road looks like. Donald Oche Avenue. I think that's the name of the road. Donald Oche Avenue. So that's another entrance to the government house. I think the government house have a couple of entrances. So this is another one. I can't tell how many entrances it has, but so far we have seen 2 entrances. So this is another residential area where you get to see a lot of luxurious houses, fine houses. You can tell by the vibe, by the atmosphere, this is quite a rich area or a rich neighborhood. The serenity, calm, the quality of the houses here, I can tell you, it's for the rich. Basically for the rich. I'm going to take left to right. Let me look around. Okay, let me go right. Let's see what's in the right hand side. National Youth Service Corps. Okay, that's the office. I think the last time I came here, this road wasn't tarred, but now it's tarred. I don't know if I'm right, but I can tell. So let's go inside here and see things for ourselves. Oh, this is nice. Asaba is really cool. Like, how do I put it? It has like, okay, let me put it like this. No matter your status, you can afford it. You have the rich area, the middle class, and the poor, so it all depends on your class. You get to get the vibe of what you can afford. I think my left hand, that looks like a golf course. I'm not really sure. Nothing is really going on here, so we're gonna make a right turn. For this life, get money, they're very important, very necessary. I'm sorry guys, I'm just kind of like, overhyped. Like, I'm reasoning a lot of stuff in my mind. Like they say, Nigeria, there's a poverty. I mean, There's poverty in Nigeria, definitely, no doubt. But when you look at some kind of properties some of Nigerians do acquire, be like, sure, all of us, for the same country, all of us, they like, how is this possible? How can these people get this kind of, So I'm just thinking out loud. For this life, get money, they're very important. They're very, very important. Very, very important. But get it through a legitimate way. A legitimate way. Let me sound like a British person. I mean, like a British, sorry. Get it in a legitimate way, Very, very important. Like, you have to crack your brain. Crack that brain. God gave you a brain. Crack it. Get it. I'm trying to crack mine to get mine. Easy, sure. But money must be made. Okay. These are politicians, or this is one of the let me give way for them and I will join them. Then now I've become part of their convoy. Oh, though my car is not black, but I'm part of the convoy. So make way for us. Who they breathe? Hey guys, don't mind me. Okay, by my left hand side there's a church. What's the name of this church? Emmanuel the Savior Church. I can't tell whether it's a Catholic church, Anglican, or Protestant, but it's indeed a church. So guys, I think we are heading out from here, and I think the video is going to be ending very soon. The video is going to be ending very soon, so I think I've done enough for today, and I will bring more to you guys in the future. But before the video ends, let's check out this area. Let's check out what's here. Okay, residential houses. Okay. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to ask you guys watching this video at this very moment, because that's what really matters. For you guys to still be in tune till this very moment, that shows that you guys are really, really interested in this kind of content, or this kind of video I'm giving to you guys. So I want to ask you, like, what would you want to see next on my channel? What kind of content or what kind of video do you want to see? Where do you want me to visit? Where do you want me to go? What do you want to see? Just let me know, then I will check it out and see if it's something that I can do. I need you guys, I need an idea from you guys. So I need you guys. Oh my god, oh, I have to pause what I'm saying. Look at these houses. God, oh man, people get money for this country. People get money for this country. Shoo. People get money. People get money. I don't lie you. People get money for this country. People get money. Okay guys, just let me know what you think. Tell me where and where do you want me to visit, drive through. Tell me what kind of content you want to see next on my channel. Mustn't be next, just tell me what kind of content you want to see, which place do you want me to visit to show you guys, and I'll be happy to do that. Sure you get, I'll be very, very happy to do that. Just let me know, and also let me know what you think about Asaba, which is the capital of Delta State, because I believe I know people will get offended when I say this, like Asaba looks more like an Eboh, an Eboh city to me than any other ethnic or any other tribe. But people are very, very, it's very difficult for people to accept that fact. So let me know what you think, and just let me know what you think at the comment section. Write down your opinion, comments, and let us know, okay? And I'll read through all your comments and contribute the way I'll contribute as much as I can. But at the end of the day, people get money for this country. See fine houses, fine houses, fine houses. People get money, sure. But this one is building something like I don't even know what category I have to classify it. Right now I think I'm lost. I think I'm lost. I'm looking for my way out. I'm really quite impressed. I've not been this place before, so I'm really quite impressed with the kind of structures or the kind of videos I'm seeing here. People really get money there for this time. Money there. Okay, yeah, I came through this place. Money must be made, so. So that's a stadium. I don't know whether to call it a stadium or maybe like just kind of like a square. I think that's a Delta State square or something like that. Just like in Enugu we have Abara Square where they normally do government functions, government gatherings or political matters. Something like that. Which way did I came from? So I forgot to. I can't even tell where I came from. But let's go through this way. That's the Chinese restaurant inside this compound. New Mandarin Chinese